Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get started with Chime even you haven't downloaded the app yet. So go to your browser and then type chime.com. Now all you have to do is enter your email to get started. Now give them your full legal name and then click next. Now provide your date of birth, and here is a catch. You must be 18 years or older to open a Chime spending account. Now give them your valid mobile number and your home address. So make sure your home address is correct because Chime Visa debit card will arrive into your home address. And now you have to create a password. So make sure you create a unique and strong password, and make sure you also remember that. And next step is identity. So you have to give your social security number, which has to be valid, of course. So once you input your identity, click next, and here is the activity section. They will ask some question, just answer them and click next. Now this is the last step. All you have to do is check this box and then click submit application. Now you're welcome to their bank. All you have to do is download the app. Now you can download the app from a Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And once you download the app, just open the app and then click login. Now type in your email and password, and they will give you a verification code. Just enter the code and just verify. After that, create a 4-digit PIN to keep your account safe. And that's it. You're welcome to their banking app. Okay, now once you're on their home screen page, this is what you can see. You can set up their credit builder, or you can set up your savings account as well. They have a feature that's called Spot Me. You can also get that, and you can also use Spot Me Boost as well. Now, let's say you want to send money to a friend. Then all you have to do is click on Pay, and this is their Pay Anyone features. In this way, you can just either request or pay your amount, which is very easy, I guess. So all you have to do is just type their name or Chime tag and enter the amount, and then tap send or request. So they can get the money even they don't use Chime yet. So I think it's pretty cool feature. Now, if you want to set up a direct deposit, yes, you can also do that. Now, for that, go back to your home screen, and here all you have to do is click on Move. Now here you can see so many options, like you can transfer money, you can deposit check, you can also deposit cash, and here is the option that is called set up direct deposit. So click on it. All you have to do is just copy your account and routing number and give this to your employer or whoever pays you, and your paycheck might comes 2 days early. And here are options to like manage a link account. You can also link account as well, like you can also link your bank account, your Cash App, anything you want. And if you want, you can also use this map where you can find the nearest fee-free ATM around you. So I think that's a great feature as well. And if you want to put money in your Chime account, all you have to do is go to this Move Money and then click on Transfer Money. Then just connect your other bank account and enter how much money you want to add. It's usually take like 1 to 3 business days. Now, if you want to turn on push notification in the app settings, and you can also do that, and you will also get alerts when money comes in or goes out. So it helps you to watch your balance all the time. And that's it. That's how Chimes work, which is super easy. So you can add money, send money, get paid early, stay in control of your account, and that's it. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.